Gridlock, the new Rubik's. With Gridlock comes this case. The way to open is really easy. If you turn the white element in these directions, we can open the top where we find our different piece to play the game, different size, different shape, different color too. If we turn in the other directions, we open the bottom where we find our 88 challenge, from really easy to really difficult. How to play? If I pick up a challenge, just say challenge number 1. Okay. I'm going first take out all the pieces from the grid. Like that. And I'm going to place on the grid the white element as shown on the card. We have one element here, we have this one here, and finally we have this element. Now the goal is to complete the grid with the other elements. I know here I need element not too wide, one square wide. This one can work, or this one. If I place this one in this corner, I can place that piece. Okay. Now I have this big piece. If I place this big piece here, I need to place this piece. But here it's a problem. I don't have a piece I'm going to go here. No, that is not correct. Let's see. If I place this piece here, I can have that piece and that one. And I think they're going to work. Let's see. Yes. Okay, challenge number 1 solved. If we take another challenge, just say challenge number 22. No, that's the same. We empty the grid and we are going to place the white piece as shown on the card. We have this one like that, the small one go here and the other one go here. Okay. Alors, the same. Here I need a piece, maybe this one. If I place this one needs to go here, but I have no piece to go there. No, that will be not a good choice. I can place this one, this one. This one can be placed like that, or maybe like that. I'm going to place on the side for the moment and try to complete with the other piece. Let's see. I can place the red one. The big one can go here or maybe here. I will backward, but in that case this one will be not working. No, that's not the positions. If I place this one and this one here, here I will be needed. Let's see, this piece. Okay, that piece, that's the only way to place it, but I have a problem, like you can see, it's not working. Donc that is not the correct solutions. Donc let's see where I can place this one. Maybe here. No, let's see. Let's see, that's not good. I'm going to move that piece. Let's see, if I place the orange here, I have this one that can go. Ah no, orange cannot go, that's not correct. This one, let's see. That one, no. Okay, no. It's not so easy. Let's see. Yellow in these positions. Where I can place here? If I place this one, it's not correct. This one can go here. I can have the orange piece like that, and this one go here. And I think that works. Yes. And the challenge is solved. If you're struggling with the classic Rubik's cubes, you can check the video on the screen.